Want to give your friends gift cards in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to give your friends gift cards in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on the friends icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the friends from the left side of your screen. Now tap on the gift icon which is on the right side of your friend's profile. Select the card that you want to gift to your friend. You have to spend CP15 to gift this card. If you want to proceed, tap on the CP15 send button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Again tap on CP15 send button. Now tap on the confirm gift button. Click on the CP15 button. And that's how you can give your friends gift cards in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.